Did you know that dandelions are more than just weeds? Let's explore their amazing health benefits and uses. Number 10. Dandelion tea is great for digestion. It helps to stimulate appetite and relieve bloating. Number 9. Dandelions are packed with antioxidants, which help to fight inflammation and boost your immune system. Number 8. Dandelion root can be used as a natural coffee substitute, providing a caffeine-free energy boost. Number 7. Dandelion leaves are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, essential for maintaining healthy skin and vision. Number 6. Dandelion extract can help detoxify the liver, promoting overall liver health. Number 5. Dandelion flowers can be used to make a soothing and healing salve for skin irritations. Number 4. Dandelions can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for people with diabetes. Number 3. Dandelion greens are a great source of fiber, aiding in digestion and promoting gut health. Number 2. Dandelion root can help reduce water retention, acting as a natural diuretic. And finally, number 1. Dandelions support heart health by reducing cholesterol and blood pressure levels. Common misconception: dandelions are just pesky weeds. In reality, they are a powerhouse of nutrients and benefits. From tea to salves, dandelions offer a multitude of uses that can enhance your health naturally. So next time you see a dandelion, remember its incredible benefits and consider incorporating it into your routine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips.